welcome students to WAEC June 2014 Computer Objectives Question and Answer. So I'll be calling it one after the other and I'll be telling you the answers, okay? The first question says, the first calculator, number one, question number one, the first calculator was built by A. Marie Jaguar, B. Blaise Pascal, C. Charles Babbage, D. John Napier. Okay, the answer is Charles Babbage. Okay, Charles Babbage was the first to build a calculator. Okay, so the correct option is C. Alright, question 2. The similarity between data and information is that both A. can displayed on the monitor, B. have computer inputs, C. are processed facts, D. are computer results. Okay, the answer is are processed facts. That is, the similarity between data and information is that both are processed facts. Okay, processed facts. Therefore, the correct option is C. Alright. Question 3. The computer hardware can be classified into A. Option A, ALU and control unit. Okay. B, system unit and peripheral. C, central processing unit and control unit. D, input and output units. Okay, the answer is system unit and peripheral. So the computer hardware can be classified into system unit and peripherals. Therefore, the correct option is B. Okay, question 4. The outcome of a processed data, this is processed, not processes. Okay, this is processed. The outcome of a processed data in a computer is known as A. raw facts, B. information, C. database, and D. computer results. Okay, information is the correct answer. So the outcome of a processed data in a computer is known as information. It is when a data has been processed that becomes information. Okay, hence the correct option for this question 4 is B. Okay, question 5. Which of the following devices is not a microcomputer? Which of the following devices is not a microcomputer? A. notebook, B. laptop, C. EDVAC, EDVAC, and D. desktop. Okay, the correct answer is EDVAC. EDVAC is not one of the microcomputer. Okay, is one of the, is not, when we talk about microcomputer, that we are talking about the 5th generation of computers. Okay, but EDVAC is not an example of 5th generation of computer. Hence, it's not a microcomputer and is the correct answer for question 5. Okay. 6. Which of the following computing devices did not exist in the pre-computing age to the 19th century? Which of the following computing devices did not exist in the pre-computing age to the 19th century? A. Napier's bone, B. abacus, C. ENIAC, and D. Slide rule. ENIAC is the one which does not belongs or does not exist in the pre-computing age. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, ENIAC does not belong to the pre-computing age of computer to the 19th century. 7. Questions number 7. The computing devices invented by Charles Babbage are A. Difference engine and abacus, B. Analytical engine and slide rule, C. Abacus and slide rule, D. Analytical and difference engine. Okay, the answer is D. It is analytical engine and difference engine that were built or invented by Charles Babbage. Okay, so the correct option is D. Okay, D. Charles Babbage invented analytical engine and difference engine. Question number 8. In a computer, okay, the set of instructions that direct it in performing a particular task is called A. Information, B. Program, C. Data, D. File. The answer is program. Program is the set of instructions which direct the computer in performing a particular task. Alright, therefore the correct answer for question number 8 is B. Okay, question 9. The property of a disk that determines the amount of data it may contain is A. Size, B. Volume, C. Storage capacity, and D. Storage power. Okay, the answer is storage capacity. Okay, storage capacity is the property of a disk that determines the amount of data it may contain. Okay, that can contain. Therefore, the correct option for this question is C. Option C. Question 10. Which of the following items best describes the term hard copy? Which of the following items best describes the term hard copy? A. Print out, B. Written on a hardboard, C. Information stored on a hard disk, D. Amount of data. Printout is the answer. Okay, printout is the items that best describe the term hard copy. Okay, therefore option A is the correct answer. Alright, question number 11. Question number 11. Which of the following is not an output device? Which of the following is not an output device? A. Plotters, B. Speakers, C. Projectors, and D. Webcams. Okay, webcams. The answer is webcams. Webcams is not an example of output device. Plotters, speakers, and projectors are. Okay, they display. Okay, so option D is the answer for question 11. 12. Question 12. Which of the following signifies the correct association between a hardware component and its functions? Which of the following signifies the correct association between a hardware component and its function? A. Mouse to input. B. Monitor to print. C. CPU to storage. D. Hard disk to processing. The correct answer for this question 12 is A. Mouse to input. Mouse is used to input data. For B, monitor is used for output, not to print. So option B is wrong. CPU is not for storage only. Okay, it's for processing. So option C is wrong. Option D, hard disk to processing, is wrong. Hard disk is for storage. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Mouse to input. Okay, now figure 1 is a logic gate. Use it to answer question 13 and 14. This is the logic gate we are talking about. The diagram, figure 1. This is figure 1. Okay, sorry for this diagram. It was supposed to be here before the 13, 14. Okay, yeah, it's correct. 13, 14. Now, question 13. Figure 1 represents A. AND gate. Sorry, this is not AND gate. This is AND. Cancel this D. Letter D is not there. Okay, this is an AND gate, not AND gate. Okay, so AND gate. B, an OR gate. C, a NOT gate. D, a NAND gate. The answer for this question is OR gate. The figure represents OR gates. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Figure number 14. In figure 1, X, Y, Z, okay, respectively represent A, input, output, and input signal. B, output, and input. C, output, input, and output signals. D, input, and output signals. The answer for this question is input, and output signals. I will explain that to you. Let's go back to that diagram so that we explain to you how it is input, and output. Look at this X. Okay, this is an input. So we have two inputs to give us X and Y are inputs. This Z is an output. So that's why it is input, output signals. Alright? So that's how we got input, and output signals. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Okay? For the question 14. Now, question number 15. Which of the following software is best suitable for keeping records during national population census? Which of the following software is best suitable for keeping records during national population census? A, word processing. B, Spreadsheet. C, graphic. And D, database. Looking at the options, word processing is not pertaining to census at all. Spreadsheet is not. Graphics is not a software suitable for population census. it deals with graphics deal with all this corridor and stuff. We are not dealing with diagram in population census. So the answer is database, which is option D. Okay, therefore D is the correct option for 15. Question number 15. Okay, D is the answer. Question number 16. A major function of system software is A. Collection of files. B. Translation of machine language into machine code. C. File management. D. Arrangement of files in ascending order. The answer is file management. Okay, file management. Therefore, the answer is option C. Option C is a major function of C. That is, file management is a major function of system software. Okay. Question number 17. An advantage of graphical user interface GUI over disk operating system thus is that it allows the use of A. Diskette, B. Keyboard, C. Mouse, and D. Monitor. The answer is monitor. Okay, so monitor is an advantage of graphical user interface over disk operating system that allows is the use of. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Number 18. Which of the following methods is not suitable for securing files? A. Use of backup. B. Use of antivirus. Okay. C. Savings documents without a password. D. Proper labeling of storage devices. So the correct answer is saving documents without a password. Okay, is a method that is not suitable for securing files. So option C is the correct answer for question number 18. Alright. Question number 19 now. Which of the following programming languages needs no transistor for it to run? A. High level language. Okay. High translator. This is not transistor. Translator. Please, it is translator. Okay. Not transistor. So let me repeat the question 19 for you again. Which of the following programming languages needs no translator for it to run? A. High level language. B. Low level language. C. Machine language. And D. Assembly language. It is machine language that doesn't need a translator. Okay, so the correct option is C. Figure 2 is a system development cycle. Use the figure to answer question 20 to 22. Use the figure. Okay, this is the diagram. Now, question number 20. The path labeled I is the A. System design. B. System implementation. C. Study review. D. Feasibility study. The answer is feasibility study, which is D. Okay, which is D. This is where I is. I. This is I. Okay. Question 21. The path labeled 2, Roman figure 2, is the A. System design, B. System implementation, C. Study review, and D. Feasibility study. Okay, let's go back to the diagram so that I can understand what we are talking about. This is Roman figure 2. This is where Roman figure 2 is. This is Roman figure 1. So the answer for question 21 is system design. Okay, this Roman figure 2 represents the system design. Therefore, option A is the correct answer for question number 21. Now, 22. Question number 22. The path labeled Roman figure 3 is the A. System design. Okay. B. System implementation. C. Study review. And D. Feasibility studies. Okay. System design, study review. Sorry. The options are wrong. Okay. The question A, option A says system design. Okay, system design. B, system implementation. C, study review. D, feasibility study. The answer is system implementation. Okay, therefore B is the correct answer. System implementation. Figure 3 is a flow chart. Use it, not use is. Okay, use it. This is typographic error. To answer questions 23 to 25. Now, question number 23. The part labeled 1 represents A. Begin or start symbol, B. Process or action symbol, C. Read or write symbol, D. Stop or end symbol. Okay. So the answer for this is C. Read or write symbols. Read or write symbol, which is option C. Option C. Okay. 24, sorry. The part label Roman figure 2 represents A. Decision symbol, B. Read or write symbol, C. Process symbol, D. Stop or end symbol. Okay. The answer for this is process symbol. That is option C. Okay, that symbol is meant for processing. Question 25. The path label Roman figure 3 represents A. Process or action symbol, B. Decision symbol, C. Read or write symbol, D. Stop symbol. The answer is decision symbol, which is option B. That symbol is meant for decision taking. Alright. 26. The acronyms HTTP stands for A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, B. Higher Transfer Text Protocol, C. Hard Text Transfer Protocol, D. Higher Text Transfer Protocol. The answer is A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Alright. 27. In ring topology, the computer that is allowed to transmit data, the data processes, okay, possesses the A. the packet, B. the data, C. the access method, D. the token. Okay, the token. That is question 27. Okay, now I repeat, in ring topology, the computer that is allowed to transmit data possesses the packet, data, access method, D. token. The answer is token. Okay, it is the token it possesses. So the correct option is D. 28. The most cost-effective and secure way of transmitting confidential messages among, this is messages, not messages, okay, among the employees of an organization is the A. electronic notice boards, B. teleconferencing, C. email, D. social network. So the answer is email. Okay, email is the most cost-effective and secure way of transmitting confidential messages among the employees of an organization. Okay, so email, which is option C. Question 29. The application software which allows information available on the internet to be obtained is called A. browser, B. World Wide Web, C. Spreadsheet, D. Internet Protocol. The answer is browser. Okay, browser is the application software which allows information available on the internet to be obtained. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Alright. Question number 30. A modem and a telephone connection are provided. Other things needed to be able to connect to computer to the internet are A. ISP, account and utility software, B. browser and ISP accounts, C. ISP account and network. Okay, and D. browser and printer. The correct answer is browser and ISP account. Okay, therefore B is the correct answer. B. 31. Which of the following is employed in transfer of data between computers and a network? A. Fiber optics, B. Male connector. C. Female connector. D. USB ports. Okay, USB ports. The answer is USB port, which is option D. Alright. 32. Which of the following software can be used for graphic production? A. DOS editor, that is DOS editor. B. PC writer. C. CorelDRAW. D. Acrobat reader. The answer is CorelDRAW, which is option C. 33. In word processing, the icon figure 4 is used for A. Paging. B. Line spacing. C. Numbering. And D. Bulleting. The answer is numbering. That is option C is the answer. Okay. 34. Which of the following items is not located on the MS Word menu bar? A. Home. B. Open. C. View. D. Mailing. The answer is mailing. Okay, which is option D is the answer. Now, use the table below to answer questions 35 to 37. I want you to use this to answer 37. A, B, C, D, E. We have book supply to senior high school. 2. Math, ICT, and etc. Okay. Now, 35. In the table that is above. Okay. The content of cells C5 is A. 2, 4, 5, 6. B. 40009. That is 4009. C. 4400. D. 345. Okay, let's see. The cell C5. Where is C? This is C. C5. C5. This is C. Where is 5? This is 5. It is 4009. C5 4009. Okay, these things are not well arranged. Okay. Okay. Now, question 36. The number of cells that contains data 1. Okay. Data 1, row 1 is A. 1. B. 3. C. 5. D. 7. Okay. The answer is 1. Okay. Which is option A. 37. Which of the cells in the table contains numeric data with the least value? A. A5. B. B5. C. C5. D. D5. The answer is B5, which is option B is correct answer. Okay. 38. In changing the storage location of a file, the command to use is A. Control X key. B. Save command. C. Saves as command. D. Alt F. Then save. Okay. So the answer is save as. command, which is option C. Okay. Now, 39. Which of the following statement is true about registers? A. It is a storage area around CPU. B. It is suitable beside the CPU. C. It is suitable beside the memory. D. It is special high speed. It is a special high speed storage are within the CPU. Okay. And the option for this, the answer for this is D. It is special high-speed storage within the CPU. Okay. It is a special high-speed storage area within the CPU. Okay, area within the CPU. So option D is the answer. Okay. 40. The instruction fetch into the CPU ID decoded by the A. Primary memory, B. Program counter, C. ALU, D. Control unit. The answer is control unit, which is option D. Okay, control unit. 41. The process of restarting a computer is known as A. Cold booting, B. Warm booting, C. Resume booting, and D. Restarting booting. Okay, the answer is warm booting, which is option B. 42. Evaluate the basic statement. Let Z is equal to 4 times W raised to power 2 plus 2 times Y, given that W is equal to 5 and Y is equal to 10. Option A, 50. Option B, 80. C, 100. D, 120. The answer is 120. Okay, just substitute the value of W and Y into this and apply the basic arithmetic. Board mass, you get chance. Okay. 43. Given that 26 base 10 is equal to x base 2, x is A 1011, B 11010, C 11110, D 10111. Okay, the answer is 11010, which is option B. Okay. Okay. So the options now, question number 44. Okay. In hexadecimal number system, BDE represents A 12, 11, 12, 13 respectively, B 12, 15, 15 respectively, C 13, 14, 15 respectively, D 14, 16, 17 respectively. The answer is 11, 12, 13 respectively, which is option A is the correct answer. 45. The conversions of 11001 base 2 to base 10 equals A 30, B 26, 28, sorry, C 25, D 20. The answer is, that's 45. The answer is 25, which is option C. Okay. 46. The transaction file can also be described as A. Master file, B. Movement file, C. Reference file, And D, historical file. The answer is master file. That is option A, master file. 47. Which of the following statement is not true about computer files? A, it is very fast to access any record. This is any, okay? Within a file. B, it is created electronically. C, initial setup. Okay, initial setup is expensive. D, file creation and access are less laborious. The answer is C. Initial setup, okay, is expensive. 48. An advantage of sequential access over serial access is that A, sequential file is slow. B, sequential file is detailed. C, sequential file does not use key. D, individual records can be located more quickly. So the answer is B. Sequential file is detailed. Okay. 49. The use of electronic systems to send an unsolicited email to someone's address is known as A, hacking, B, spamming, C, internet fraud, D, piracy. Piracy. The answer is hacking, which is option A is the answer, okay? 50. Which of the following ideals is protected by copyright? A, ideas. B, profit. C, expressions of ideas. D, inexperience. Okay, the correct answer for this is expressions of ideas, which is option C. Okay, this is where we are going to end. This is the end of the objective question for year WAEC June 2014. Okay, thank you for being attentive. I wish you good best of luck.